Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-350 Super Duty, a 6.7 liter Powerstroke Turbo Diesel that is running strong. So I'll go ahead and close this up, take it for a tour. Just have the tow hooks up front, fog lights. Load of those wheels, gorgeous. The painted alloy wheels and the Lariat package. This dually also has four-wheel drive. See, it does have a power sliding back window, tailgate step, which I'll go ahead and close up. Has an amazing camera system. There's your tow package. You have that keyless entry right there, the keypad. Black leather seats. Tons of room in here. You also have 110. It's just super nice. And then your other two power sources right there. Go ahead and give you a shot of that VIN right there. All right, we'll go ahead and turn this down. Come over here and you'll see that it has 77,213 miles on this vehicle. Coming over here, you got your trip computer, your stereo controls, cruise control, push to talk. Then you have your trailering controls. This, I'm gonna go ahead and turn down a little bit more so you can hear me better. You got your push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive. As I mentioned, your trailering controls here and here. And then you do have both cooled and heated seats here in the front. You got your phone charging station with 2 USB ports right there. And then you've also got your key fob and cup holders. Lots and lots of stowage. With your stereo, you can go ahead and look at your sources of AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then of course you have your climate controls right here with your heated steering wheel, phone, navigation, your apps and your other settings. You're going to see the backup camera and the other cameras. There we go. There's your backup camera right there and your sensors. And then you got your 110 right there as well. And you also have a glove compartment there and down below. And then up here you've got your glasses holder right there, and that about wraps it up for this F-350 on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front, which affected this front driver's quarter panel around to the passenger front quarter panel and some undercarriage. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.